I absolutely love my space heater that I bought. It makes me nice and toasty warm in these chilly cold winter months. And look how stylish it is. And it's nice and compact too. Only measures about 9.5 inches by 8.5 inches by 6.5 inches. And it has a 5-foot cord and it's portable too. So there's a handle here so you can take it room to room. And it's also very easy to assemble. All you have to do is put these knobs into place and attach the legs. Simple as that. And what's really nice, it has 3 different settings. So let me show you how easy it is to use. There's 2 knobs over here. The first one just turns the unit on. And the second knob does it to the different air temperatures. So for example, you have a fan setting, which blows warmish type of air. So it's a little bit warm, but it's more like room temperature. Then there's the low setting, and that is 750 watts, and it's warm air that comes out. And then there's the high setting, which is my favorite, and that's 1500 watts. And it makes you feel so nice and toasty warm. Absolutely love it. Now, say you're sitting in a chair, you could tilt this up so it hits you where you're sitting, or if you're standing, you can tilt it up even higher. Really gets the air circulating around you nicely. I absolutely love it. It's also pretty quiet too, which is a definite plus. And it's also very lightweight and easy to use. Absolutely love it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.